Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. Okay, the Mirror and one of the journalists called John Cross called and let us know say Andrea Berta is locked in negotiations with Sporting Lisbon for Gyökeres. Then James put it out and he tagged the Mirror to show you say yes at the tag and talk him. So Andrea Berta is currently locked in negotiations with Sporting Lisbon for Victor Gyökeres. The John Cross is saying it and the Mirror Football UK are also saying it. Now, when I saw this news, I was happy because I know say all these days just everywhere just be quiet. No, some things going to happen behind the scenes, just that we are not aware. So may they keep up the good job. They may keep up the good job. But in the coming days, because we are not tired of the in the coming days, I want here we go. Or 1 year, okay, they've accepted personal terms or they've agreed club to club agreements. Because one thing is certain, Gyökeres must leave. No arguments. So it is either enjoying Arsenal or enjoy another person. But say whether I no go leave na lie. He must leave because the relationship in with sports he don't shalat, he don't scatter. So he must leave. That one done this setting. So this always says going to do shakara for us. I know this says no one come out. Just they use shakara, they delay us. So make them run this Gyökeres because the Arsenal fans they very very happy. Now in a twist of events, Bayern Munich when they pursue almost all the wingers. So in fact, I don't think say get anybody don't link with players not behind Arsenal. Now only Bayern. They above us as in they link like mad. Now they don't come for our own Martinelli. After linking with Jimmy Bino Gittins, the very cheesy. This one, that one, now they don't land for Martinelli. Say they're interested in signing Martinelli. Chris Whitley. In fact, this news was supposed to be the biggest news of the night, but I said I leave with that Gyökeres story. So Chris Whitley say 2 European giants are circling one of Arsenal's biggest stars and major changes could be coming in midfield. Now, Bayern Munich, they reason Thomas Partey, Bayern Munich, they reason Martinelli, and Thomas Partey updates what they thought they're still in discussion you get. So when you go down within a BILD for Germany, they talk. They say Bayern Munich are discussing the possibility of making a bid for Arsenal's Gabriel Martinelli. Now, when you look at what other reports are even reporting, the Mirror and Metro, when they talk say Arsenal already set price for Martinelli, say Arsenal they request for 50 million. If Bayern can offer 50 million, Martinelli is not officially on the market, but if Bayern offers like 50 million, they might be tempted to sell him. I don't know what you gonna take on this one. Say Arsenal fit sell Martinelli for 50 million. Do you actually buy that idea? Or buy that idea? Let me know your thoughts because for me personally, I don't really want to believe that report of 50 million. Because I know say even if Arsenal go sell Martinelli, no be now. Maybe after this season. After them bring in one left winger, they still use Martinelli this season. Then next season they fit sell him. I make even bust to bring. Do you know that you get how better striker will come in, maybe like a Gyökeres or maybe like a Sesko? Go come in, he go activate that Martinelli. Martinelli go come alive. Martinelli go the pattern when you go surprise. What be this thing Martinelli who they use since they do anything? It dey happen. You get. See the kind of relationship Martinelli gets with Gabriel Jesus. If I say Gabriel Jesus can't lose guard, Martinelli no can get that understanding again. So but let me know your thoughts. What you think about this Martinelli story as it unfolds. Now, away from that. So Sky Sports when they interview what's it they call him? Alex Iwobi about transfers for Fulham. So you can talk say, well, I don't know what will happen, but Fulham like to sign Arsenal players. So maybe we will get more of the Arsenal players because when you look at Fulham camp, you go see the likes of Mr. True, you go see Alex Iwobi, you go see Ben Leno, like they even carry Rhys Nelson on loan, although injury no let that one play, they can't carry and come back. So they see a situation whereby the guy fits the still come Arsenal come pick one or two people. Now we say that is Zinchenko, one if he come select Zinchenko or carry one or two players. Well, who knows? My own be say anybody they carry as long as that person is surplus to requirements Over here at Arsenal, we are ready to sell. Boko use and realize money, yes, raise revenue. That might own be that. Now, away from that also. So we're going to get another report from Graham Bailey, who is TBR's chief football correspondent. He can talk say Crystal Palace are now open to receiving the fee for Eberechi Eze in installments. Now, in case anybody will want to sign Eberechi Eze, Crystal Palace talks say you will need to pay the buyout clause of 60 million pounds. At the same time, they will make it very, very easy for you. You can pay in installments. They know they expect you to pay all the money now. No. So that they allow you say instrumental payment is allowed. Bring your money, carry the player, and everywhere is good. So for me personally, I don't go lie for you. I like this ability. Instead of going for all those Rafaelio, all those people who be say Nico Williams, them when they're outside, when we say at the end of the day they might need to come here and acclimatize. Get somebody who understands the EPL system. That is an edge. That is a like now smart with that. And the guy himself, he is a versatile player. He can deputize for what's it called? Odegaard if case need. If necessity happen like this, if you use him, the guy can play number 10, can play on the wings, if they drive, if they bomb shot from outside. Like if in the match you go no, like I don't think Eberechi is any introduction. All of us we know him. So, but at the end of the day, no be our calling. It gets now that I will get the final say on whether they will buy him. At least everybody don't know how much the guy is going to be costing. 60 million pounds. Put your money where your mouth is, and you will get the player. Now, away from that, Fabrizio Romano can give us updates also about this Emiliano Martinez, because before we say Manchester United won't sign the guy, they're interested, they won't carry him, they get bored. Now you can confirm say Manchester United are not keen on signing Emiliano Martinez as a new goalkeeper, according to the Telegraph. Even Chelsea self, as of today, they say Chelsea are no longer going for Mike Magnan of I think the AC Milan. I think it's AC Milan. They know they go for that one again. So they go use their own keeper way, then get all the Sanchez, them Roberts, all those one. So now the best way then go use. Now, this is this interview that Thomas Partey do. Everybody don't they post them. They give their own narrative of this particular interview. Now, football don't post them. You can't get one particular part where football don't add. We are not even remember. Now when I can remember, now true Partey talking for the video. Now, look at the last quotes, like the final paragraph. Partey said, eventually, I said to the president, you need to give 10% to my agents. If not, then I want to leave. They, Arsenal, don't need to give me the same money, but as long as the agent gets his 10%, we are good to go. But see, that time Partey won't come join Arsenal. In the talk say, even if Arsenal no offer him the same money where Atletico Madrid offer him, because remember, the money where Atletico Madrid offer him was big. Atletico had no problem with Partey. Now in agents get problem with commission. So Partey say, as long as I Arsenal give you your 10%, even though Arsenal no will give me the same salary where Atletico Madrid they offer me, I no get problem with that. We are good to go. That shows you Partey is not the type of person that money can move. I know that they get the gist. The angle me I use enter this story from. Partey shows it's not materialistic. Everything we are experiencing now is the agents. The agents, now be the person who say like money. Now be the person who they push for all this dragging. That will end the disaster for both parties, both Arsenal and both the Thomas Partey, because you will want to go another place. What is the guarantee that you will play? You don't have the guarantee. But for Arsenal, you still have your guarantee. That is just the truth. Nobody needs to argue it. If they go back, you are not sure you will start in the first 11. If they go Juventus, you are not sure you will start. There is no guarantee for anybody. Because over there, you still need to acclimatize and blend like a blender. You get. But over here, you are fit to the system. You are integral to the system. Forget the narrative. Say maybe it's remaining go play ahead of it next season. Nope, nobody know. Until when I bring a lineup for next season. Now, another journalist, where they work for the likes of BBC, come post this particular interview for your own Facebook page. Look at the caption where you give her. Thomas Partey talking about how Atletico Madrid's failure to treat his agents well led him to moving to Arsenal, which means Partey did not leave Atletico Madrid because they no pay him money or because of get issues, personal issues. No, it was because the issue of another person, a third party agent, now making abandon in career for Atletico Madrid. for you to, I don't know how many of you now watch the show we'll do today, the public show, where we say over almost 2 hours, many people join the show. What we can explain, say, there is this deep bond between Thomas Partey and this agent. We go make Partey live in career for Atletico comot. They'll go for where no shop for, where no know how it go be, where no know what thing go meet. Go Arsenal in the middle of the night. Deadline day. You don't know what thing they go see. So there must be. I know saying that the guy carry Partey come up for Africa when they had nothing, when they were suffering poverty and all, but it goes deep. Maybe the guy na father figure for when they. It goes deeper than that because everybody they post this thing and everybody's putting their own narrative. Gary A. Smith, a journalist who works for the BBC, Sky Sports, The Athletic, and more, now he posts them for his own Facebook page and everybody's talking about it. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's bring you our first message from one of our sponsors, Zifty Tech, who are a professional web development company. They're a trusted brand that can help you launch your professional website. They can build websites like e-commerce, corporates, crypto, real estate, and so much more. So you can reach out to them on +234 7036 85866 and you can visit them on their website www.ziftytech.com.ng. All right, another message from another of our sponsors. We are bringing you a message from Poria Logistics and Delivery Services. So if you're interested in import and export, pickup delivery, doorstep delivery, courier delivery, haulage, transport, logistics, dispatch and errand services, you can reach out to them and they ship to USA, Canada, UK, and Europe, and they can also receive for you. So if you're interested in their services, you can reach out to them on +234 80 7547 8645 or 08092445644, and they're located at a Block D, Shop 41, Binukonu, Ultra Modern Market, or Jota, Lagos, or the Ikorodu office, number 28, Oriwu Road, Italewa, Ikorodu, Lagos. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. Now, away from that. All right, Fabrizio Romano tell us what thing they happened to Juan Garcia after he choose Barcelona away from Espanyol based on the local derby. They want you threat spy this guy. They don't call him threaten him. They even thought saying their birthday party where they invite him, Baba no fit go because in the fear. Say different people don't call the number. Now he don't change number. He don't the inside house. I don't come back. They para for him. So of all clubs, why you go be seen Abaka? You go. They whine me. They want buy the guy, but God did him back. Yeah, so then just go get private security. So now nothing will happen to them. Ben Jacobs, when they talk say Crystal Palace, they para for this Maguire. They don't tell and say if you know they sign new contract, we will sell you. Get they already put their money 50 million. Saying that the amount they don't sell. The guy said, me, I don't want to go where I go stay for bench. I want to stay here. What till they saw? I don't know how the matter go be. As I did, they observe. People like Liverpool, they observe. Get so most see how things go unfold at the end of the day. Now, we can't get confirmation. Say the club will actually bid for Johan Bakayoko is Arsenal. I already said this in the morning. Saying that Arsenal, me I know say be the person who interested in this guy. So if they talk say an EPL club put out an offer, it has to be Arsenal. So now they are getting confirmation. So truly now Arsenal now make the offer. Now my Skelly Mama can respond to Real Madrid, even though the guy already agreed a contract with Arsenal. Because they talk say see all that already Madrid they talk all those things. Say he knows say rumor. You get rumors are rumors. She was telling the Guardian. Remember I said my Skelly Mama now being agents. So she said, I mean, everyone would always have something to say, you know. That's fine. We don't engage in all of that. Maestro Skelly is enjoying his football. I would want him to enjoy his football wherever he goes, at whatever stage, and you know that's the most important thing. So you know really get an issue. Now we can't get confirmation also say Arsenal still remain a top priority for Rodrigo should remain a top priority for Arsenal. And as it now remains to be seen whether they can progress on it and get encouragements to have to look elsewhere. Now, if you watch the Club World Cup, the match Real Madrid they play today now. As they talk like this, they play. Real Madrid they win 2-0. They beat Pachuca. So Real Madrid collect red card for the match. Yet they're still beating Pachuca 2-0. They bench Rodrigo and they play Adagula. So all these things, like John Cross, they say if he make at the end of the day, Adagula will say, Rodrigo say, Uchi, let's say, I ask for spirit. I don't say they bad this Adagula because if you watch the press conference, the way Alonso said they talk about this Adagula even score. Get so and Rodrigo sitting on the bench, and something we say, you know, really like. But we'll just watch as things go unfold at the end of the day. As time goes on, we'll get much more clarity if Rodrigo has to leave. Now, let's bring another message from another of our sponsor, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co. Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. And they're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, I think the biggest news of the night is the fact that we are getting reports from the Mirror and one of the reporters, John Cross, that Andrea Berta is locked in negotiations with Sporting Lisbon for Gyökeres. In the coming days, we are going to hear how the deal they go, whether negotiations they go well or they go well. With that being said, my Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end that come your way tomorrow morning to give you the money news. So then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night. Another game out. All right, guys. Auf Wiedersehen. Network.